how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. If you cannot create your Apple ID on your system settings, then the best way is to visit appleid.apple.com. You can simply go to any web browser and search for the appleid.apple.com. And once you're inside here, you can see the downwards arrow option available in the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and a drop down menu will appear. Now simply tap on the create your Apple ID option available there. Then you'll be navigated to the new page where you can create your Apple ID easily. Now here, enter your first name, last name, country, region, email address and password. The email address that you type in is your new Apple ID. Enter a phone number that's available to use and verify your identity by entering the received verification code. Click on continue and follow the on-screen prompts to finish creating an Apple ID. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.